What's up, and welcome back to Lulu University. This week we're going to be talking about formatting your print book. So let's figure it out. You wrote the book, yay, congratulations. And you edited it and hired a professional to do it, hopefully. You created a beautiful cover with the help of a professional, hopefully. And so now you're ready to publish, which is super exciting, yeah. So what do you need to know? You want to publish in multiple formats. So today we're going to be talking about print formatting specifically and Microsoft Word, because that's usually the software that we see a lot of our authors using. Obviously there are others, but for this video we're going to be focusing on Microsoft Word formatting. And if there are questions that we don't answer in the video, then just click the link in the description below and it'll take you to our knowledge base where we have a ton of articles and resources to help you along the way. It's very important when you're creating a book for print that you match the size of the document you're working in to the size of your actual book. So, for example, if you are creating a 6x9 paperback book, then your document in Microsoft Word is going to need to be a 6x9 size as well. That makes sense, right? So what you're going to want to do, you can go into the page setup of Microsoft Word and select the page size. So it'll have some sizes already listed there for you, but if you are not seeing the size that you're creating, you can go into Manage Custom Sizes and then put in the size that you need, and you should be all set. Another tip is to be sure that your page orientation is in portrait. So even if you are printing a wide format book, if you put it in landscape, sometimes the pages can come out sideways. So the best way to protect against that is to do a portrait orientation for your page. Use standard or common fonts when you're creating your manuscript. So especially if you're going to bring a Microsoft Word document to Lulu to convert to a PDF, you're going to want to reference our list of suggested fonts, which you can find here. If you're uploading your own PDF, then you can use any font that you'd like, just be sure to embed them. So if you're not familiar with what that means or you're unsure how to go about it, then click the link in the description below and we've got a great guide that'll help you take care of that. Use page breaks. This is going to be the best way to get a clean format throughout the book. So when you're ready to move on to the next page or the next chapter, don't hit enter repeatedly. I know that it seems easy and maybe tempting, but just hit that page break so you can have a clean format throughout the book. When uploading several files, double check the page numbering to make sure that it makes sense in your print ready file. It's always best to upload one file because there's less room for error when it's done that way. You can upload multiple files, but the way that Lulu's system works is that it's going to put them in the order that they were uploaded in. So make sure that the numbering makes sense once you've uploaded multiple files. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you are uploading multiple files, each file should have an even number of pages so that the chapters will start on the right side. If you're including a table of contents, add it at the last step so you can ensure that all the page numbers are still correct. Sometimes in the editing process, things get moved around and shifted, so you want to be sure that all the page numbers are still lining up in your table of contents. So it's a good tip to add that last so you can make sure those numbers still match up. All of the books and formats that we offer on Lulu can be sold through our bookstore. But if you wanted to use our global distribution option or sell through other channels, then it's important to check their distribution requirements and see what sizes and formats they accept. So if you're unsure if your size and format fits the distribution requirements, then click the link in the description below and we'll be able to help you figure that out. If you're not sure how to get started, Lulu has a lot of print book templates to help you get started. So just check out the link below to find a plethora of Microsoft Word templates you can download that'll help format your book correctly. If you still have questions about formatting your book for print, then just drop them in the comments below and we will be more than happy to help. And be sure to subscribe because we'll have some more tips and tricks for you next week.